Understanding store with care in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, store with care. This phrase is often seen on labels and instructions, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English comprehension. Store with care is a directive phrase, meaning it's instructing someone to take specific actions. Let's break it down. Store refers to the act of putting something away or keeping it in a particular place. With care means to do so attentively and cautiously to avoid damage or deterioration. In essence, when you are told to store something with care, it means to keep it in a way that ensures it remains safe and undamaged. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Fragile items. Glassware might come with a label saying, "Store with care," indicating they should be kept safely to avoid breakage. 2. Sensitive equipment. Electronics or laboratory instruments often require careful storage to maintain their functionality. 3. Perishable goods. Certain foods or medicines might need careful storing to prevent spoilage. In each case, the underlying message is to be mindful and protective about how these items are stored. There are similar phrases worth knowing. Handle with care. This focuses more on the handling aspect, implying that the item needs careful treatment while being moved or used. Fragile, often used alongside store with care, indicating that the item is easily breakable. Understanding these related phrases helps in comprehending care instructions more broadly. Store with care is more than just a label, it's a crucial instruction for preserving the integrity of various items. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and use. Keep learning, and remember, storing your knowledge with care is just as important as storing your belongings. See you in the next video.